I'm your daddy.
Yeah, he has absolutely. He's like, they have him wrapped around his finger.
Can we stop it and get a round of applause for Ashley? We're doing keep or not keep. That's all we're doing for separating. We're not doing any more separating other than keep or not keep. So right now, only 2 piles, Mama. I had a feeling you were getting ahead and doing some steps. So right now, give me 2 piles. I'm assuming this is all. Is this all keep?
Yeah.
Okay.
Would it be easier though to?
Nope, not right now. Absolutely. Okay, so right now we got maybe.
Mm-hmm. Keep.
Okay, keep. Go. Keep it.
What does it say? Beat. Yeah, I gotta keep that one. Gotta keep that one. Gotta keep that one.
I would say, so here's one thing.
Oh, maybe pile.
If we're doing maybe, okay, we'll take it. I would say if when you're making decisions, it's more than like 3 seconds, you're unsure.
Maybe. Okay.
If it's immediately yes, let's get rid of it. If you're like, let it go, that's immediately there. Okay.
Yes. Keep.
Yes. Awesome.
Oh,
the pop-up.
Get rid. Keep.
Okay. Okay. So this is our maybe, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I need that one.
Yes.
I need this one. Yes. 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 You can get rid of that one.
Really? Nirvana. It's surprising.
Yes. That one I have to keep. That one I have to keep. Maybe. Maybe. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Maybe. Keep it. Gotta keep that one. You can get rid of that one. Keep that one. Get rid of that one. Keep that one. Gotta keep that one. Gotta keep that one. Gotta keep that one. Gotta keep both of those. Yeah.
Okay.
It's all sentimental. Sucks.
It is what it is.
I make a quilt or something. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Maybe. Keep that one. Keep that one. Get rid of that one. Keep that one. You can get rid of that one. Keep that one. And keep that one. Keep. Maybe. Keep. 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 Maybe.
You're having memories too, right? All our
well, because I think I can see you being like, "What a dumb shirt that is."
No, I'm listen. So that is what is the thing about like having an attachment to things.
Yeah.
It is yours.
Yeah.
Girl, I cannot. That's why I can never go through your stuff and be like, okay, this is what we're getting rid of.
I know.
Because you're gonna be like, excuse me.
Most of them are just like jokes.
You never know, but that's what life is.
Keep.
Darling,
Gotta
you better.
keep dolly.
You better.
Keep.
Right now, let's be looking for what you can get rid of. Let's focus on that. I think that will make your choices a whole lot easier. Make the decision now, because that's another thing with organizing. And we'll go ahead and try on those pans, and see if there's anything you can get rid of. Because you know what I mean? I want us to make the hard decisions. Bad you started. Is this
This is all I've been living in. / like the new nice pants I've been telling you about / old ones that I think I can make work in my new mommy outfits.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. I would say as much as you can for clothing. If you want to wear it, you need to see it. This is what your wife purged. We're not gonna take it, but I just want you to see. That's your trash bag plus a little bit more. That's from today?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we stop it and get a round of applause for Ashley? This is not no joke.
It's more for you because
no, it's more for because you're the one who's letting them go.
You do it and
high five. Girl, I'm like, what is this?
The babies, you gotta knuckle me now?
Oh. Just remember when you're looking to do